Hello, friends. Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. We will give you the latest news from Bollywood today. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the details news. Let's first give you some information about the movie release this year. The films like Bhuj, Lakshmi Bomb, and Big Bull will be delayed on Hotstar due to the IPL. In June, Disney Plus Hotstar announced that multiple Bollywood films, including the likes of Akshay Kumar's Lakshmi Bomb, Ajay Devgan's Bhuj, The Pride of India, and Abhishek Bachchan's Big Bull, will release on their OTT platform. Dil Bechara, Loot Case, Khuda Hafiz, and Sadak 2 have already been released. But due to the IPL schedule, this time the release will be delayed. The team of Hotstar have been completing their release calendar for a while now, and they have decided to delay the release of the films due to the IPL. The directors and the producers do not want to clash with the IPL. They have decided to release the Lakshmi Bomb in the mid of Diwali week, whereas Bhuj and the Big Bull are gearing up for the late November or mid or late December release. Now let's jump to Shahid Kapoor. Shahid Kapoor will next be seen in Jersey, which will also feature Pankaj Kapoor and Mrunal Thakur in key roles. Shahid Kapoor has become one of the bankable actors Bollywood post the humongous success of Kabir Singh, which collected over Rs 275 crore at the box office. While the actor will be next seen in Jersey, Shashank has reportedly signed his next with Dhadak Helmer Sushant Khaitan for an action film titled Yodha. As per the report, a source close to the development said Karan and Shahid were planning to do a film together for some time, but they were not getting the right script. There was a major talk about Shahid stepping into the shoes of Brigadier Farooq Bulsara for a film based on Maldives mission. But now the producers has locked Shahid for Shashank Khaitan's next, which is also an action film. It's titled Yodha, and Shahid has already signed on the dotted line for the same. Let's give you some information of Katrina Kaif. It has been nearly 6 months since the country went under a lockdown. While the country is unlocking in phase, the number of COVID-19 cases have been on the rise. Therefore, vacation still seems to be a distant dream for many. Actress Katrina Kaif too seems to be missing the outdoors and the beach days. On Tuesday, the diva took to her social media handle to share a throwback picture of herself enjoying the sea. She shared a picture from one of her photo shoots on the beach. In the picture, Katrina can be seen wearing a white knitted swimsuit and posing in the sea. She captioned the picture with a sea wave emoticon and blue heart emotion. On the work front, Katrina Kaif will next be seen in Suryavanshi alongside Akshay Kumar. Now let's move on to Alia Bhatt, who is getting negative reactions on her Instagram post. The tragic demise of Sushant Singh Rajput opened a can of worms over Bollywood's nepotism and groupism debate. Without any reason, several Bollywood celebrities faced the wrath of netizens. Alia Bhatt, Ananya Pandya, Tiger Shroff, and other star kids were trolled excessively. And who can forget the Sadak 2 trailer's dislike row? But now, after keeping a mum for a while over nepotism trolls, Alia has finally opened up. She has sent out an indirect message to haters through her latest Instagram post, and it's definitely worth watching. In her latest Instagram post, Alia Bhatt is looking absolutely gorgeous, but it's the caption that is doing all the talks. She wrote, "But I keep crashing, cannot stop, won't stop moving," reads the caption. Expectedly, netizens poured in their comments. One user wrote, "What about your film Sadak 2? Another user wrote, "Why Instagram doesn't have dislike button?" The worst comment from the Instagram post was, "Instagram, please bring chappal button as you have like button." Let's move on to the talk of the town, Kangana Ranaut, who asks for Rs 2 crores compensation from BMC for damages. On the morning of September 9, Kangana Ranawat's office building in Mumbai was crowded with media, supporters, and officials from the BMC as the allegedly illegal property was undergoing demolition. Kangana was en route to Mumbai from her hometown when BMC started the demolition of the property, claiming there were illegal construction despite earlier notice to the actor. Kangana's lawyer Rizwan Siddiqui then filed a complaint and the demolition was stopped till the next hearing. Kangana gave a statement and the war of words between Shiv Sena and the actor continued. She also added, "I had my office opening on 15th June. Shortly after Corona hit us, like most of us, I haven't worked ever since, don't have money to renovate it. I will work from those ruins, keep that office ravaged as a symbol of a woman's will that dared to rise in the world." Following the incident, Kangana reunited and returned to the hometown but has apparently demanded a legal compensation of rupees 2 crores from the BMC for the damages done to her property. Friends, this is it for today. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe for regular updates and click the bell icon. See you in the next video very soon. Till then, stay safe and be healthy.